So arranging a setup for newborn photo shoot may be overwhelming. You may not be able to arrange a beautiful setup every time. And you might ask yourself, is there any principle that I can follow every time to guarantee that I will have a beautiful setup? Yes, there are. I have been searching for a long of time because I want repeatable results every time. I don't want to have one time beautiful setup and the next time I have ugly setup. I want to have a beautiful setup every time. So I have been searching for a long time, how can I have a beautiful setup? And I have searched in a lot of areas. I have searched in interior designing, in color analysis and color theories to get out with these rules that I will share with you in this episode. So make sure that you watch this episode until the end to learn how to make a beautiful newborn setup every time in your photo session. So first of all, let's talk about color theory. And there are a lot of color theories out there. There is one color theory that works with newborn photography. The color theory is based on the color wheel, and also there are a lot of colors wheels out there. So there is one specific color wheel that works for newborn photography. This color wheel contains different colors, and there are 3 ways to make colors work with each other in newborn setup. The first way is to select monochromatic colors. And monochromatic colors means that you are selecting the same color in all the setup. So if you are choosing pink color, you will choose pink bonnet, pink crab, pink backdrop for this baby. Photographers who will say their opinion, they will say, eek, you cannot do all same color in one setup. It will look so I don't know. But no, for newborn photography, this works perfectly because in newborn photography, you want to make contrasting colors that will make the baby pop in this image and will make the baby the most important element and the eye-driven subject in this setup. So the first way to select colors is in monochromatic way. The second way to select colors in newborn photography setup is the complementary colors in photo session. So what's complementary? That means these colors will complement each other, and usually they are on the color wheel opposite to each other. For example, purple and green, or red and yellow. These colors will complement each other as they are on the opposite direction in the color wheel. So each color will make the other color pop out more. Sometimes I will do the complementary colors, but I don't like to do it so much because it will make the colors pop in the picture more than the newborn, and I like to keep my focus on the newborn. But I always like to involve the mother while I am doing the setup. So I will prepare the setup and I will ask the mother if she liked it, and if she liked the complementary colors that I added, I will go with the setup. If she didn't like it, I will change it to monochromatic. So always try to involve the mother to make sure you are not wasting your time taking photos that she will not like at the end. And the third way to select colors is the analog colors. The analog colors are positioned on the color wheel next to each other. So these colors will look cohesive together and they will look nice together because they are next to each other in the color wheel. For example, green and yellow, they will look nice and cohesive with each other. But for me, I like to do the monochromatic colors, and today I will share with you also more tricks on preparing your setup. So I will show you how I arranged my boxes to have monochromatic colors on them. So here I have my clear boxes down there. Some of them have monochromatic colors. So this one has the pink. This one, for example, has the yellowish tones. This one has the blue tones. This one has the brown and beige tones. This one, the cream tones. This one, and this one will have the purple tones. This one has the green tones. So if the mother said she would like a green setup, I will pull up this box and arrange from this box to make a setup. And I have different collections. So today we will pick one and make a collection together and teach you how you can use interior designing tips for newborn photography. You may have noticed before, but I usually have props that either are wood or bamboo, or this one are basket. I don't know what material they are made of, but they are all of natural, earthy materials. I don't have metals. I don't know why, but I didn't buy any metal prop like metal bed or metal bucket. I didn't feel that I want to have metal props, and it's totally up to you. I don't say that you can't have them. They look nice, and I know there are a lot of potentiality you can do with metal props. So if you like them, go and have them. But for me, I didn't feel that I want to buy them, and it's okay to do what you like. So it's okay for me to do what I like and skip buying metal props. So today I will choose the wood bed to make a setup with you. So I will take my wood bed and go to my backdrop to put it there. So here I have my bed, my wood bed. I will put it here, and let's grab the other elements that we will add to this wooden bed. So in one of these boxes, I keep the rugs and the burlap layers, and this one a bag also. Okay, so in one box, I keep all the under layers. These are under layers that are that I can put under the bed. So this one is macrame layer, and this one is a burlap layer in thin, and this one is a burlap layer in larger openings and in other color, and this one also macrame in other color. Some of them from Loonberry, some of them from Rosie Rayen, and some from AliExpress. This one is crochet circle. This one I think from AliExpress. So I feel I want to add, and if I was confused what to add for bucket, I will add the thin burlap layer, and for larger beds I will add this one the thick burlap layer. The thick one, why I keep it here, because it's keeping detaching from itself, because it's old one that I have, this one from Loonberry. And if I have a piece that I love so much, I would love to buy two of them to have a spare one, because this one is keep detaching from itself, but it's becoming more beautiful when it's aging. So that's why I keep it inside a bag to keep it all together. So I will take this one and add it under the bed, and I will tell you what's the importance of adding this layer. So now I am going to put this burlap layer under the bed. It's detaching from itself because it's wide nets. and I will put my bed in this position, and I will tell you why in the lightning episode. So keep on to watch the lightning episode. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and push the ring button so you are updated when I release the light episode. So the importance of having a burlap layer under the bed, I will show you like this. So having a burlap layer under the bed will make a feeling that the bed is connected to this background. It will not feel that it's a separated element. They will feel connected with each other in some way. So, for example, if the bed was like this, you will feel the bed is not connected to the background, but adding an underlayer will give the feeling that in some way it is connected to the background, but not in all background types. I will add underlayer that like burlap or macrame layer. For this wood-like background, I will add this layer. But in other layers that are floral, I want to emphasize the floral element, so I will skip the burlap layer. Now, after I have put my bed and my burlap layer, I will go and pick a color to make not complementary, I will make monochromatic color setup. And I would love to choose, let's say I will choose pink. I love pink, so I will choose pink. So what I can choose here to make a complementary setup, let's lower this one down. Okay, what I can choose, I can bring my pink box. So I pulled out my pink box and I will choose this one, the sheepskin, this one from Loonberry, and this one rabbit skin. I will choose only one. I will choose the sheepskin, and this here I have a bonnet and a wrap matching together. This from All Catonet. I will take the bonnet only. Let's assume that I'm gonna do a half wrap, not full wrap. So I will pick stretchy wrap material that can go along with all these colors. And now let's pick a headband. Okay, so these are the colors that I have picked for the stuffing and the wrap and the bonnet. Let me adjust this camera. Okay, so for bonnet, no, I have the bonnet already. For headband, I can go with this one. This one will be monochromatic, and if I want to add a teddy bear, I might add this one is also a pink one. It is correct to add a pink teddy bear for monochromatic setup, and it is also correct to add a cream color. There are some dolls that are in cream colors. They will not ruin out your setup when you add them. So I prefer to add cream colors because they look more real. And you can, like this one is a cream and pink because this is a rabbit he is cream, she is cream, and she is wearing a pink net, so these will work well together. So let's go and put them inside our setup. Okay, so I had the bed and I had the burlap layer that connected the bed to the background, and it works either if the background is wood white or wood brown. doesn't affect, because it's wood at the end. This one is a wood thing. I didn't find any rule that says if the prop is white, the background should be white, or the prop is brown, the background should be brown. Both ways are fine, but if you like more dark, moody setups, you may choose to have a brown background. If you like more light, airy setups, you may go with white wood background. So now I will add the sheepskin, that's the stuffing, and I will add my bonnet. Where is the face? Okay, so this one is the face of the bonnet and the headband. So one time I will photograph the baby with the headband, and one time I will photograph the baby with the bonnet, and this one the teddy bear that the baby will hold, and this one the wrap that I will wrap the baby on, and this one will be a full setup that is monochromatic in color. So every time you can make sure that you are making a perfect setup. One good tip in buying props, try to buy according to colors. So if you are building up your pink collection, stick to buying pink from every element. You buy one. Don't overbuy. Buy one pink wrap, one pink stuffing, one pink headband, one pink bonnet, like this. Don't overbuy from the same color, because you will be stuck in there and you will not be able to build your other collections. So build one collection at a time, because they are a bit of investment. I know that they are a bit of investment, but it's worth at the end. You will build your own collection. You will have beautiful monochromatic setups that you can create every time.